Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a quick moment to introduce you all to a tool that I have absolutely been loving lately. It is called Taja.ai, Taja.ai. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Taja. Anyway, what it is it is an incredible AI based tool that you can just copy and paste in YouTube links or connect into your YouTube channel. And it does all of its AI magic to give you things like YouTube titles and descriptions. It will create a YouTube thumbnail suggestions for you, which I think is really great. It clips everything up into really easy, digestible short clips, both in vertical and wide formats. And it gives you blog posts and social posts and all of that awesome stuff in between. I really like that it works automatically with YouTube. So there's a lot of tools out there that do this kind of thing or similar to this kind of thing or one piece of this kind of thing. But this one really helps specifically with YouTube and does some really neat things in the space. So I thought I would just walk you quickly through it. So again, this is me logged into taja.ai. And right here at the very start, I can obviously drop in a link to one of my YouTube videos and hit start, or I can import them from all these different places, which is great. It tells you a couple of things that you can do. So obviously you can invite customers and be part of their affiliate program. You can leave a review, you can set up different automations and things. Here are some videos that we recently added in. And what I want to show you is this one here. So again, these were all just added with a link that we copy and pasted in, and then they show up here in our system. And so this is from a recent workshop that we did with Alec Johnson. This was our one take, no editing required workshop where he walked everyone through how to use Ecamm as a recording tool to be able to simplify your system. And so you can see it gives you a title and the description. It automatically gives you keywords. It gives you chapters, which is fantastic. So you can literally just copy and paste this. This was a really long video, so there's a ton of chapters, which is great. Again, it gives you more keywords that you can add in. Here are some alternate title suggestions and the SEO ratings for them, which I think is really helpful. You can click through this to get other titles, more titles and suggestions. It gives you some ideas for YouTube thumbnails to show you what you can do that would be really effective for thumbnails. I don't think these are perfect yet. I've yet to find a tool that's like incredible at this, but I think it gives you some really great ideas and examples. You can fully AI generate, or you can use faces from the video, in this case, Alec, and you can hit to regenerate those. It gives you the full transcript. And then if you come up here to the top again, you can click to view the repurposed content. Let's see here. All right, there we go. It's loading. All right, so it gives us 46 short clips that have the captions automatically burned into it, which I think is really helpful. It also will give you clips in wide format with the captions on it, which I think is, again, a helpful idea if you want to embed those into a blog post or a website. It's a little bit slow to load these here with my internet, but you get the general idea. And it gives you, again, that score for all of them and the and a little blurb that you can copy and paste right in. So if you're sharing this on YouTube, you literally just download the video, upload it into YouTube, and then just copy and paste this in, which links back to the full video, which is great, and all the keywords. It will generate thumbnails for all of these, which is just awesome. So it just gives you tons and tons of information and helpful clips that you can use in different ways. And then over here, if you click through, it also gives you all of this, it calls it text, but these are blog posts, or you can use this to populate an email or a Substack. And then at the very bottom here, if I keep scrolling down, it also gives me, you can see different social media posts. So this is for LinkedIn, this is for X. All of this content is all populated by AI and is all based off of your video, which I think is really fantastic. If I scroll back up here, let me just remember where everything is. You can auto schedule. So if you don't have a social media scheduling tool, we use Agorapulse, but if you don't have something like that, you can auto schedule it out, which I think is really helpful. You can get it in text, HTML, or Markdown. And then if I come back here and go back, I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning again. The other thing I absolutely love about this tool is it has growth stats. So you can see some of these things say growth stats ready. So I can click on this and it is linking in and pulling in my YouTube analytics and analyzes all of the data. So this is all stuff that's readily available in your YouTube analytics, but I really like how they break it all down here for you in one spot and just give you a really nice snapshot and picture that you can use for reporting or just to give you an idea of how the video looks and is doing. All right, yeah, so here. So again, this is the video. This is the video's performance. You can see how it stacks up by views against some of the other videos on our channel. You can see a performance report here. And then it gives you some tips as well. So things that you could do to improve the video. So it says that our percentage viewed is low. Based on the video, we need a more captivating introduction. So now that this was a live video, so now that it's been sitting up on the YouTube channel for a while, these are some good recommendations for how we can rethink this for replay and for watchability for people who are not catching it live or catching it as a video. It gives information on the click-through rate, the percentage viewed, all of this really great stuff. And again, is helping you think through some of these best practices that, often we know, but are just in autopilot and aren't thinking through well. So it's really helpful, I think, to take a look at specifically these content best practices, as well as some of the tips and recommendations to really give a second life to some of these videos. And again, what's cool about this tool is you can rethink a lot of this video content. So, shows and episodes that you've had up for a while or that were previously live and you're trying to figure out how to repurpose. This is a great way to just drop those links in here, get recommendations for different title, description, keywords, thumbnails, so that you can really give a second life to a lot of these videos. So again, I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough. This tool is called Taja, Taja.ai. I think it has a ton of potential. It does a lot of really cool things, even beyond what I showed you. And it's really quite an affordable, easy tool to use and one that I think will be really helpful for many of you who are in the video creation space. So definitely worth giving a look through and checking it out. And if you have any questions about it for me, you can always find me, Katie at ecamm.com if you want to email me, or you can certainly leave a comment or question below or send me a direct message. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.